If you're seeing an Opera installer error, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help get the browser installed properly again. This is a great solution if Opera setup is failing, freezing, or refusing to launch on Windows. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to download a fresh copy of the Opera installer directly from the Opera FTP server. Open your browser and go to the Opera FTP server. Once you're there, look for the latest version number folder. Inside that folder, click on the Win folder and then download the full .exe installer file. This is important because sometimes the installer you already have can be corrupted, incomplete, or outdated, which is often what causes the error in the first place. After the file finishes downloading, right-click the installer and choose Run as administrator. Running it with administrator permissions gives Windows the access it needs to complete the installation properly, and in many cases, this alone can fix the problem. If the installer still gives you trouble, the next step is to close any Opera setup processes that might be stuck in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ES on your keyboard to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, look for any processes named Opera Setup, installer.exe, or setup.exe. If you find any of them, right-click each one and select End Task. This clears out stuck installer processes that may be blocking a new installation from starting. Now we're going to clear the temporary files folder because corrupted installer cache files can also trigger Opera setup errors. Press Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box. Type %10% and press Enter. This will open your temporary files folder. Inside this folder, delete everything you can. If Windows tells you that some files are in use, just skip those and continue deleting the rest. This helps remove broken cached files that may be interfering with the Opera installer. Once that's done, the final step is to check Task Scheduler, because Opera may have an automatic update task running in the background that is causing the install issue. Open the Start menu and search for Task Scheduler. Then open it. In the left column, click Task Scheduler Library. After that, look for a scheduled task called Opera Autoupdate. When you find it, right-click it and choose Disable. This prevents the updater from conflicting with the installer while you're trying to install Opera. After completing all of these steps, try running the Opera installer again. In most cases, using a fresh download, clearing the temp folder, ending stuck setup processes, and disabling the Opera Auto-Update task will fix the error and allow installation to complete normally. If this video helped you fix the Opera installer error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.